man. Get up on the hood.
Okay, man, okay.
Shit.
On three.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. You'll be okay. You'll be all right. All right, you gotta help now.
Hold on, sir.
Darby runs his meth lab out of the diesel yard in Polk. It's where all the mill drivers score their crank.
This is definitely Darby shit. This rock's been stepped on so many times, it's barely a narcotic.
See, Darby's making his move into charming, dealing at that lumber mill. Clay, we gotta send this Nazi asshole a clear message now.
All right. Why don't we just go talk to the driver? Ask him why he bought the meth.
Go.
Darby's guys. Can't be good.
Holy shit. Andy. Who did this to you?
Nords. Why?
I was in way deep with Darby on my crank debt. Like 2,700.
Where are you buying?
Up in Pope.
Not in Charming.
Can't score shit in this town.
Anybody who wants to call, family or friends?
No. Oswald's gonna fire my ass when he finds that tanker empty, man.
What are you talking about?
Well, the Nord said that the diesel was payment for my crank debt. So they came here, they beat the shit out of me, and they took my keys.
It was a full tanker.
Yep. Said the county impound off the 18.
Well, there goes our 15 grand.
Goddamn SOA.
Yeah, here we go.
Easy, white boy.
Put it on the ground.